Hey everyone, I'm with Step In Design Studios, and today we will be looking at the Glamour Day wig from their latest collection. Okay, this is the user guide. Wow, here she is, rooted creamy cocoa. Let's try her on. Okay. Oh my goodness. She has very rich cocoa hues and creamy highlight. This is truly a timeless and versatile choice. The quality feels incredible and just so soft to the touch. She's beautiful and silky and just has the right amount of movement. This wig is incredibly easy to style. You can just run your fingers through her hair for a more tousled, lived-in look. No matter how you wear her, you'll look so confident and ready to take on the day. As you can see, there are so many beautiful waves to her. She's very playful, carefree, she's easy to style, and just so full of personality. This wig is made with a lace front and handmade monofilament part, which, as you know, is the holy grail when it comes to natural looking and seamless wigs. The lace front is meticulously crafted with individual strands going into the sheer lace material. As you can see, the lace material is undetectable against so many skin tones and will create a natural and seamless hairline. The monofilament part just adds another layer of realism to your wig. This involves hand knotting each strand of hair onto a sheer lace material, creating and mimicking the look of a real scalp. When you combine these two elements, the lace front and the handmade monofilament parting, you get a wig that looks like it's really growing out of your scalp. It has so many versatile styling options. As you can see, she has a very natural, tousled look to her. She's so beautiful with all these natural highlights, and I highly recommend the Glamour Day wig.